Can CBD make you fail a drug test? Imagine preparing for an important job interview or a medical examination and suddenly questioning whether something you use might affect the results. That concern is common among individuals who incorporate cannabidiol products into their wellness routines. Cannabidiol, often called CBD, is a compound derived from the cannabis plant known for its potential health benefits. But how does it interact with drug testing protocols? Most standard drug tests, especially those used by employers or law enforcement, screen for tetrahydrocannabinol, or THC, which is the psychoactive component of cannabis. These tests typically analyze urine, blood, or hair samples for THC metabolites. Because of this focus, the primary concern with CBD products is whether they contain enough THC to trigger a positive result. The legal landscape surrounding CBD has evolved significantly over recent years. In many regions, products labeled as CBD must contain less than 0.3% THC. This small amount is generally insufficient to produce psychoactive effects or to cause a positive drug test. However, the accuracy of labeling can vary widely among manufacturers. Some products may contain higher levels of THC due to contamination or mislabeling, which increases the risk of failing a drug test. Research indicates that consuming CBD products with trace amounts of THC can sometimes lead to positive drug test results, especially if used regularly or in large quantities. The detection window for THC metabolites in urine can extend from a few days to several weeks, depending on usage frequency, body fat content, and individual metabolism. For occasional users, the likelihood of testing positive is lower, but it is not impossible. It is also important to consider the type of CBD product. Full-spectrum CBD products contain a range of cannabinoids, including THC, albeit in small amounts. Broad-spectrum products have multiple cannabinoids but are usually THC-free. CBD isolate products contain only pure cannabidiol and should not contain THC at all. To minimize the risk of failing a drug test, consumers should choose products from reputable sources that provide third-party laboratory testing results. These reports verify the cannabinoid content and ensure THC levels are within legal limits. Additionally, individuals subject to drug testing for employment or legal reasons should consult with their healthcare provider or employer policies before using CBD products. In summary, while pure CBD products with verified low THC content are unlikely to cause a positive drug test, the risk cannot be entirely eliminated, especially with products that may be contaminated or mislabeled. Being informed and cautious can help you make choices aligned with your health and testing requirements.